Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is your Photo News Fix. This is how you do it. This fix is brought to you by Storyblocks and their massive inventory of studio quality stock footage. If you've ever been in need of a quick video clip for B-roll, After Effects templates, or motion backgrounds, Storyblocks has you covered. We've been using B-roll from Storyblocks extensively for over the past 6+ years. That's right, it's now 6+ years, because last time it was 5+ years. Whether it's this video that Dan picked or this better video that I picked, Storyblocks has you covered. Storyblocks has been there for us with royalty-free clips, audio, and graphics, and they can be there for you as well. To sign up for Storyblocks, head on over to storyblocks.com/pro. Now, before I get to the news stories, I do want to give you an update on who won the Super Huger Mega Camera giveaway that ended on December 31st, and what I can tell you is that a winner has been chosen at random, but has not been notified just yet. That will be happening shortly. We just need to get all of our ducks in a pond first, or in a row, and then we'll let you know. First up, it looks like the end of the road for the Nikon D3500 and D5600, as they are showing up as old product, kind of like this guy who's about to be 40. Phone call. Hello? Oh, it's Madeline K and Nikon PR. Happy New Year. What's that? You like silver foxes? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not one. Oh, you mean that other silver fox. You think he's hot. Good, then you give him a call. Oh. The D5600 was released back in 2016, and the D3500 was in 2018. Both of these cameras were and still are fantastic DSLRs. In fact, if someone was to ask me what body they should buy if they wanted to start to learn photography, my answer would be either the D3500 or D5600 with a 35 1.8DX used, if possible, from Allen's Camera. AllensCamera.com. Does the discontinuing of these two bodies signal the end of entry-level DSLRs from Nikon and the possible future introduction of an entry-level crop sensor mirrorless camera? Honestly, I hope not. I hope not, because I don't think Nikon will be able to get the price down far enough on mirrorless entry-level to match the rock-bottom price of a D3500.
Damn steal.
I hope Nikon is able to continue producing budget-friendly entry-level DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, because they are great entry points into the photography world. Next up, Nikon has announced some changes to their international warranties for lenses and accessories. Now, prior to this announcement, Nikon included international coverage for lenses and accessories, and now it looks like that is about to change. Now, before you yell at Nikon for making this change that I don't personally see as being a huge deal, give them a chance to explain. Until now, Nikon has attached its international warranty to interchangeable lenses and certain accessories. However, with the difference in regional laws and safety standards, it has become quite difficult to maintain a single international warranty that is effective around the world. We have considered a variety of options, but ultimately decided to begin the gradual transition from international warranties to regional warranties for interchangeable lenses and accessories in January of 2021. So what does this mean if you already have an international warranty?
We're screwed.
Nikon says if a product is purchased with an international warranty, that international warranty will remain valid for its full term, regardless of the date of purchase. What's a full term? 9 months? I mean, what do I know? What this means is if you reside in the US and you order a lens from outside this region and it needs repairs, even if it falls under a warranty repair, you will have to pay out of pocket for that repair. Like I said before, I don't think that this is going to be that big of a deal. Just don't buy gray market stuff and expect that you'll get it fixed here when it should be getting fixed somewhere else. Before we get to the next story, can we get 10,000 likes this week?
Pretty please.
Last week we broke 9,000, but it would be cool to hit 10,000.
Pretty please?
Let's see if we can do it. Go ahead and give this a like, please. Thank you. Next up, Sigma's CEO confirms the possibility of making RF and Z mount glass, which isn't exactly confirmation, being that confirmation is followed by the word possibly.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Here's what Kazuto Yamaki had to say. Our short-term strategy indeed involves a possibility of introducing lenses with new mounts to such photography systems as Nikon Z or Canon EOS R. So far, however, the number of orders for our lenses is still above our manufacturing capabilities, and especially the capabilities of our R&D department.
We got the entire R&D department burning through cash.
So what that sounds like to me is Sigma is doing so well that they can't even keep up with current orders, so we won't be venturing into Z and RF lenses anytime soon. Or in other words, it's time to build a bigger factory, or two. What I can do is confirm that I possibly think we will see Sigma RF and Z mount glass one day, sometime in the 2020s will be my guess.
10 years!
And finally, it's a bird! No, it's a plane! No, it's a DJI drone of some kind. Wait, no it's not. It's a Sony drone? Yep, Sony has released new video and information on their drone called AirPeak. What a great name. When Sony first teased AirPeak, I was curious if they would be targeting the lower end drone market, which is dominated by DJI. Well, we now have somewhat of an answer, and that answer's no. They're not going after the consumer market.
Not yet.
In this video, you see the Sony drone taking to the skies with landing gear that lifts out of the way, much like DJI's Inspire. But based on this video, I think that's where their similarities will end, and the comparison can be made that it's closer to DJI's Matrice 600 Pro. Sony didn't share any specs or data just yet, but it looks like you'll be able to connect at the very least an A7S III and an 85 1.8. At least it looks like an 85 1.8. One of the coolest things I see about the AirPeak is I don't see any wires going from the camera to the drone. Now, if I had to guess, Sony's using the digital hot shoe as an umbilical cord to allow the ground operator to control every aspect of the camera. Just think, as a photographer, you might be able to put an A7R4 into the sky and bring back some super high-res areolas. Correction, I meant So what's this bad boy going to cost? My guess is between $5,000 and $6,000. And I wonder if Sony will trust me with one of these, because I hope so, because I have a great video idea in mind. Text me to find out. And there you have it. That's your photo news fix this time around. To check out the last fix, go ahead and click on the screen right here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And that's where I'm gonna leave it. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.